Accidentally deleted a call from your iPhone's history and need it back? Don't panic. I'm going to show you 2 proven ways to recover your deleted call logs right now. Let's jump straight in. We've all been there. You're in the phone app looking at Recents tab and you accidentally swipe left and hit the trash can. The call is gone from your phone, but it's not gone forever. Method number 1, checking your connected Apple devices. Open your iPhone settings, tap on profile at the very top, scroll down and see if you have other devices connected to your iCloud. If you do, you may have your phone call showing up on your Mac or iPad, or any other connected Apple devices. Simply grab that second device, open the FaceTime or phone app, and your deleted call history will still be sitting right there. Method number 2, accessing your carrier's logs. Your cell phone provider keeps a permanent record of your calls. Open up a web browser and log into your carrier's website. Like AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile, navigate to your account's usage details and look for your talk logs or call history. This section will show you a complete downloadable list of every single incoming and outgoing call. Even if you deleted it from your physical phone, the record will show up here. And it's that easy. If this video helped you out, please hit that subscribe button down below and it really helps out the channel. Catch you next one.